What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, it is going to be lit. I got deals, Walgreens deals, Dollar General deals that you do not want to miss. I repeat, you do not want to miss. With that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you do not miss out. All my new subscribers, thank y'all for subscribing. Hey, hello, how y'all doing? And to all my returning subscribers, thank y'all for being loyal and returning to this video. Come y'all, let's just get into the video. First deals we gonna get into is Walgreens, y'all. Let's get into these deals. Okay, y'all, here is the first transaction I did. P&G is back with $10 register rewards, y'all. I am so excited. I think these are my favorite deals to do at Walgreens because, I mean, you get so much in return. So, for starters, you want to get you a $15.99 Tide. We have a $3 off, making it $12.99. Then you want to get you a $15.99 Gain, and we have a $3 off on that as well, making it $12.99. Then you will pay $25.98 out of pocket. Get your $10 register reward back, and this is what it should look like. Enjoy $10 off your next purchase, and you can use that towards anything P&G related, or basically anything in Walgreens. And they gave me a booster back, which is get $6 Walgreens cash when I spend $30 on my next in-store purchase. So y'all, I could have did this transaction again and used this, and I would have got this $10 back plus $6 on my Walgreens account. But anyway, once you get your $10 register reward back, the final cost on these items will be $15.98, making each item $7.99 each, y'all. A good price on two big things of detergent. And this Tide is kind of chunky, y'all. The video probably doesn't do it no justice, but it's the big $15.99 Tide. Okay, y'all, so bam, that's the first transaction. Let's get into this second transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my next Walgreens transaction, and this one is a good one, y'all. Okay, for starters, you want to get four of the Bounty towel paper. 2 equals 5 doubles. Don't try to get the Charmin. Just stick with the Bounty. You want to get 4 of them. They are $4.99 each. We do not have no coupons. Sorry. So 4 of them will total you $19.96. You're going to pay that. Get your $5 register reward back. Making the final cost $14.96 or $3.74 each. And you will get, like I said, your $5 register reward back. Then you can add in the Head and Shoulders if you want to do the P&G deal. The Head and Shoulders are $7 each. 2 of them is $14. We have a $3 coupon on them, making them $11. Pay that, get back a $3 register reward, making the final cost for them $8 or $4 each. And there is my $3 register reward. Then the final total for all of these items is $22.96. When you pay that, you can get back your $10 register reward. That plus two extra register rewards, y'all, totaling $18 in register rewards, making the final cost for these items $4.06, making each item 82 cents, y'all, under $1. 82 cents for some Bounty tail paper, y'all. Y'all cannot beat that. If anything, y'all gotta get out and try these deals. These deals is new, couponer friendly. It's not too much to grab. I mean, these are starter deals. Like the first deal I showed y'all, 2 items, 2 coupons. That's it. Enter your number at the register and let the register do the work. Then these items, 4 things of towel paper, 2 things of shampoo. That simple, y'all. Do not let couponing scare you. Grab couponing by the horns and go for it. But these are the P&G deals, and I want to show y'all another deal that I did at Walgreens, and then we're gonna get into this fantastic stuff that I got from Family Dollars, that I mean not Family Dollar but Dollar General, that I'm dying to show y'all. So let's look at this last items from Walgreens. Okay, y'all, here is my last transaction. Y'all, I am so excited. I saw this in my Walgreens. I am just walking la-di-da-di-da-di-da. Then, lo behold, on an end cap, all the Wicked Gain products in the world. Yes, y'all, I had to grab these up. No, you do not get a P&G back with these. That's the bad part about it. But the Gain flings are $12.99, and we have $3 off, making these $9.99. The beads are also $12.99. We have a $2 attachment, making them a 10.99, yeah. And then the Dime Power Wash unfortunately does not have a coupon, and it is $7.99. But it is a good thing to get in these, because you can get a $15 movie ticket back when you purchase $25 of participating items, which these Wicked products are. So I will be getting a movie ticket. Then on top of that, I haven't opened the flings yet to see what they actually look like, and I am like a stickler for game products, and I just open them and that's what they look like, y'all. The Wicked game flings, and they are pretty cute to me. And they smell nice, y'all. They smell real nice. Not too strong, like a subtle smell or something with that game. Smells real nice. And I will be keeping one of these for myself and probably putting these in a Wicked bundle. I'm gonna have fun making that bundle. I wish I could have got the Wicked Olay and made it a whole thing, and made it a bundle or something. But yeah, y'all, my Walgreens had these items. Be on the lookout if you want to get these new Gain items yourself. Be on the lookout, because you could get a $15 movie ticket to see The Wizard of Oz. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of the Walgreens deals. Now let's jump into these Dollar General hot deals. Okay, y'all, here are my first couple items from DG. Starting off with these Dixie plates, 22 count. And remember the print on these, y'all. These are $1.91, y'all. Yes, I had to get all of them. Soon as I scanned them and seen that price on there, y'all, I had to get them all. No price overrides, nothing. This is the price when you scan them, and that's what it's gonna be at the register. No need to ask. no one to override any items. And basically I wouldn't even show y'all some items that you would have to get overridden. I mean, because some managers hate overriding items. Because I know at one of my stores the supervisor be like, if it doesn't rank up on clearance, then it must not be on clearance, and she will not change the price, honor the clearance event, nothing. Found another St. Ives body wash, and here is the UPC if you didn't see the other video, and it is $2.25. Then on the other Dixie paper plates, and it's the 64 count. And I am so in love with these paper plates, y'all, because we rarely get good coupons on plates. So I'm out searching. These plates were $4.48, and I found all of these plates at the same Dollar General, y'all. Didn't have to go here, there, everywhere. They was all at the same Dollar General. So if you know what you are looking for, you will be able to score and get some of these items for cheap. Now let me show y'all the next items. Okay, y'all, here are some next items I had got y'all. And I got these for my daughter's bed. Y'all, tell me why all of these items, well, almost all of these items except for one, was 50% off, y'all. And this line is real nice. So if y'all are out looking for some good items for teenage girls or whatever, DG is the place to be, especially right now. And even for yourself, if you are into that type of bedding or whatever. But y'all, this right here, three-piece twin sheet set, was originally $10, and it's red dot. It is $5 now, y'all. $5. And I was lucky enough to get the blanket that match. It was $7.50, y'all. $7.50. And I will be showing you PCs. I almost forgot, because I know some people like to put them in and see if they are, at some of the stores, or, whatever the case may be. Then a pillow that says chill pill, and it looks like a pill. This was $2.50, y'all. Red dot. And here is the UPC. And all of this stuff, y'all, will rank up when you scan it. No need to get a price override. Then on the pillow that matches, I found one of them, $2.50. And this is about what these pillows is worth anyway. I would think anyway. $2.50. I wouldn't pay $5 for these pillows at all. And then this little beanbag looking pillow, it was $2.50 as well. Red dot. And they also have towels, y'all, body pillows. They have them big pillows that you can sit in your bed and read, or get on your laptop, or whatever the case may be. 50% off, y'all. This 50% off. And it's a little basket. I like the little shiny look on it, but it's just cute, y'all. $1.50. Cannot beat it at all. Then I found the cutest cup. I don't know if these are new to Dollar General, but look at that with them pink bows. Super cute, y'all. $5. It is a red dot, y'all, but it was not on the 50% off. But last one in the store, had to get it. I'm gonna give it to my daughter for her birthday, because she's into pink and especially bows and stuff. So she will be getting this. But yeah, y'all, super cute cup. Looks like a Stanley almost. But yes, y'all, $5 for that. Then to top it all off, y'all, I found this luggage right here. Let me put it up in my chair. $7.50, y'all. Yes, original price $30. And it is the green clover. And that is the UPC, y'all. $30 luggage for $7.50. Has the hard shell on it. And yeah, this is like something you would pack when you going not too far and you're not packing that much. But for $7.50, y'all, you cannot beat that. And it has the little lever you can raise up and down. Yes, y'all. Plus, let's look on the inside of this thing. I did not even open it because they had the little security tags on it, so I couldn't open it and see what what it looks like. So let's look inside. Oh, okay. It got the little thing that you can put stuff in. And this ain't bad, y'all, for $7.50. Then it has like where you can clip the little clamps and put something on the other side, then put something on this side. Y'all, this ain't bad though. Shoot. 20-inch luggage, $7.50. Well, y'all, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I try not to drag it out, but like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if y'all plan on getting some of these hot items. Hope y'all do, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.